Hey guys, Chetan here for Advice Media, and this is the Nokia X smartphone that I have with me right now. And this video is about one of the basic questions that many of our readers have asked. It's about the multitasking. It's mainly because the Nokia X comes with a single back key and there are no special keys for the home page or something, and that is where people are surprised on how you can multitask on this device and whether multitasking would actually work, because the home screen and everything is quite different here. And this is the tile UI that you see on the Windows Phone interface, and the back key and the Fastlane is something that you see on the Nokia Asha devices. So Nokia has merged these both into the Android OS to bring out the Fastlane, which would help in the multitasking. So as you can see, this is something like a live log which would show you the recent 50 activities on the smartphone, and this would be arranged based on the timeline. We had opened the Astro File Manager, then the gallery and the various other applications. We went to the store to open to download the Quadrant Standard application, the Nena Mark II, and which could be directly opened from here or shared from here. Apart from that, this is the various applications that we have recently played: the Nena Mark II, Quadrant Standard, Android, and the store. Now going to the home screen, let me show you how the Fastlane works. Basically, Fastlane is something that would do two activities for you, that is keeping a log of the recent activities, and two that would help in multitasking. To give you a demo of that, let me go to one of the applications, that is the gallery. In the gallery there would be various folders, in which I would go into the camera folder and open the picture that I have recently captured. Now when I'm on this screen, Fastlane would be accessible only when you long press the back key. This is the back key. When I long press this, it would take me back to the home screen, and I can go to the Fastlane where the recent app would be shown as the top one. So when I go to some other application such as settings, and in the settings, if I go into the display settings, so here I am, and in the display settings, if at all I again press the back key for long and go into the gallery. Now when I go into the gallery, you can see that I'm taken back to the same page where I was, instead of starting the app once again. So this was the multitasking, and this is the Fastlane. And using the Fastlane, you can control most of the stuff, even the music. You can just press the play button here, and that would take the activity from bottom to the recent one where the music is being played. Now I can go into the application and try to change the song from here. Now go back to the main Fastlane, and this is the song being played here. Now if at all you feel that there's a lot of load being taken by the Fastlane in logging everything down and helping in multitasking, and you didn't want to show a few things here, you can just long press any of these tasks, and you would see a cross just beside to all of these. You can just try to close any of them, long press this, and if at all you don't want to show the gallery here, you can just click on the X just beside to that, and it would close down that. It would remove that from the Fastlane, and it won't be stored in the memory now. Now when you go back, there's no recent ones which we try to delete. So this is how you can remove the recent apps or the currently running apps on the Fastlane. Let us go into the settings and check out the Fastlane options. In the Fastlane, you get to see the manage notification options. Choose which notifications appear on your Fastlane. You can choose any of the application which you would want to see the notifications for. For example, this is the Facebook application which you want to keep private and don't want to see the notifications of that on the Fastlane. You can just uncheck this option and it will not show that. Other options would be the managing of the history, where you can again select the applications whose history you want to be stored, you want to store, or you want to just keep deleting that. So you can actually select that from here, and you can even have the social network shortcuts, and these are the various social networks that we always have here, the Twitter and Facebook. So you can add other applications or even select the one whose shortcut you want to see in the Fastlane for an easier access in the Fastlane. So from the Fastlane itself, you can again try to go to the alarms and check the alarm, and it would stay on the top of the fast lane. So this was the quick demo of the fast lane feature in the Nokia X and the multitasking on the same device. Do check out the channel for the other videos, reviews and tips. Thank you.